Everyone, and welcome to our webinar. My name is Lee Wai Yip, and I'm the General Manager for Hurco Southeast Asia. Customers, in addition, are getting more demanding. It's typical that they will throw in a last-minute order and expect the machine shop to be able to turn around the part within a short time frame. You will see the tilting B axis and the rotating C axis moving simultaneously to achieve the C channeling undercut on this road.
Hello everyone, I'm Paul Gray from Hurco Companies. I'm Vice President of R&D and Product Development. So before COVID-19, many shops struggled with how to grow because the labor market was so tight. You could buy more machines, but there was nobody around who you could hire to actually run them. And we hear a lot of stories at the time about missed opportunities just due to the lack of skill. So for job shop automation, where you have a high mix of parts, cobots such as the Universal Robot are really a great solution. And the reason is their costs are quite reasonable, and they're very flexible for changing over your parts or adding to your processes if you want to add in a parts cleaner or so on and so forth. And I'll just show you here a quick video of someone loading, starting up a job, telling you the job manager, the Hurco job manager, where those parts are, queuing the job and firing it up. That's all it took to get this system running to cut these parts. Very simple to use.